Hello there. Today I'm unboxing the Tonka Steel Classic front end loader, and I have a little tikes ride-on backhoe. First off, I want to make a follow-up to my Tonka bulldozer unboxing I did a couple days ago. I want to make a review on it since I've had it a couple days, and I feel really bad about my initial thinking on it from the unboxing. It is a lot tougher than I thought it would be, and this has really held up. The front blade has really held up, even though it looks really flimsy. My kids have jumped on it, bounced on it, pushed it, lifted it up by that, threw it around. It has not came off. Now, the tracks have came off. Yesterday, both of the tracks came off, but they were really easy to put back on. Hey, you like your bulldozer? You like it? Yeah. So, I changed my mind on the bulldozer. I like it. It's definitely tough. So let's open the big one first. Get out your handy dandy Swiss Army knife. Now this is not new, this is used. It's probably, close to 30 years old. I had one when I was little.